Okay, inequalities number line 3x minus 1 is greater than equal to 5 is less than equal to 11. Okay, so you make two parts. One part says 3x minus 1 is greater than equal to 5. The other part says 3x minus 1 is less than equal to 11. Great. 3x is less than equal to 12. 3x is less than x is great, less than equal to 4. Correct. Now 3x is okay. Correct. Correct. Now what this information you have is that x is greater than equal to 2. X is greater than equal to 2. And x is less than equal to 4. X is less than equal to 4. Great. Okay. Next question. Again, we have two parts. One part says that 3 1 minus x is greater than equal to 12. Other part says 3 into 1 minus x is less than 21. Okay, it is less than 21. So when I solve this, okay, okay. Now, how do I write this? I write this as I take my minus 3x on the left hand side and I bring my my 9 to the right hand side. Shaumaji, any doubt about this step?
No, sir.
Sanviji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So minus 3x, let us try to understand this. Minus 3x is greater than equal to 9. Now, this is a negative which is troubling me. So to make this positive, what I do is I bring my minus 3x to this side. And then I take my 9 to this side. Therefore, x is less than equal to minus 3. So, I'm sorry, x is less than equal to minus 3. And on the other, minus 3x is 21 minus 3. Minus 3x is less than equal to 18. Okay, minus 3x is less than 18. Okay, how I see this is minus 3x is less than 18. I keep my x positive. So what I do is I take my minus 3x to this side and 18 to this side. Why? Because I want to keep my x positive. Any doubt about this step?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So I want to keep my x negative. I'm sorry. I want to keep my x positive, and that is why I've changed the sign. So x is greater than minus 6. So here what I've got is x is greater than minus 6. And on this side, what I had got was that x is less than equal to minus 3. So x is less than equal to minus 3 and x is greater than minus 6. Samaji, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just trying to keep my x positive so that I don't face any trouble. So x is greater than, this is simple, x is greater than 2. Right? X is x is greater than equal to 2 and x is less than equal to 1. So what should be the solution? Mr. Rudra, x is, yeah, x is less than equal to 1, greater than equal to 2. Mr. Rudra, what should be the solution? This is your 2, this is your 1. Now x is less than equal to 1, which implies that my x should be on this side. This part is saying that x should be greater than equal to 2. So this part is saying that my x should be this side. So Soumya, what would be the solution? Sanviji, what will be the solution?
So I have drawn it like this one and I'm just sending mine.
Sanviji, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you give me a solution by looking at the screen?
So you have to draw a number line from -1 to 4 and from 1 to minus. So on 1 you have to draw the circle colored and then draw an arrow to the left, and then from 2 you have to draw another colored circle and draw the arrow to the right.
Okay. Please try to understand this in terms of basic English. There is a x. Just do not try to complicate the matters further. Just try to understand this in simple English. That you have an x. That x is greater than 2 or equal to 2. Simultaneously, that x is less than equal to 1. That x is less than equal to 1. Soumya, can there be a x like this?
Yes, sir.
Array, example लीजिए. So take any x which is greater than equal to 2. Take any x. Any x.
3.
3. Would 3 satisfy this part of the equation? Would. So for example, you have taken this x is greater than equal to 2 as 3. So would 3 satisfy this also? 3 is less than equal to 1. Would 3 satisfy this?
No.
No. So what this means is that for this inequality, there is no solution. There is no solution. Sanviji, any problem?
No, sir.
Aishwarya, any problem?
No, sir.
So all the inequalities won't have solution. आपके पास एक ऐसी inequality है जिसका solution नहीं है, so आप क्या करोगे? Because simultaneously, both the conditions can't be met. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Now, okay, this is okay. I have 6 is greater than equal to 2x plus 1. Soumya, correct? This is what you want to solve.
Yes, sir.
So 6 is greater than equal to 2x plus 2, and 2x is less than equal to 4, and x is less than equal to 2. Soumya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So your x, so if you see this condition, so you have two conditions. This is the first equation. I'm sorry, this is the first condition. This is the second condition. So your first condition is saying that x is less than equal to 2. Okay. So your x should be less than equal to 2. So it should be pointing towards this side. Your second condition is saying that x is greater than 5. So this is your 5 and x is pointing towards this. Sanviji, any doubt about this?
No.
Aishwarya, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, all inequalities won't have solutions. Now, if this question is correct, if you have noted this question correct, let me check the question. Twice of x plus 1 is less than equal to 6. Is less than equal to 6. And twice of x plus 1 is greater than 12. Twice of x is greater than 12. Yeah, this question is correct. So all I'm trying to tell you is that you need to look at both the conditions, and both the conditions should be simultaneously satisfied. Soumya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So this part of your inequality is saying that x is greater than 5. Okay, if x is greater than 5, this is how it will look like. Perfect. this part of your inequality is saying that twice of x plus 1 is less than equal to 6, 2x plus 1, 2x. So x is less than equal to 2. So simultaneously what you want is that x should be less than equal to 2, which will be facing towards this side, and x should be greater than 5, which is facing towards this side. So, Sanvi, would there be a solution for this equation? Inequality. Soumya ji,
No, sir, there won't be a solution.
Sanvi, what is the doubt?
I got a different answer only for this one.
Okay. Have you sent the solution?
No, I got 5. 5 is less.
So let us look at the solution. So this is the question that is given to us. And so I have two parts. One part says that 2x plus 2 is less than equal to 6. So therefore, 2x is less than equal to 4 and x is less than equal to 2. Therefore, your solution is x is less than equal to 2. So x is less than equal to 2 implies that my x will be towards this side. Sanvi, any doubt about this?
No.
Okay. The second part of my solution says, the second part of my question says that 2x plus 1 is greater than 12. Therefore, 2x is greater than 10, x is greater than 5, therefore x is greater than 5. So this part of my solution says that my x is greater than 5. It will be facing towards this side. Sanvi, any doubt?
No.
So Sanvi, do you have a solution?
No.
And that is what I'm trying to tell you. So there would be inequalities which won't have any solution. So x is less than equal to 2, x is less than equal to 2, x is greater than equal to 5, x is greater than 5. Yeah, x is greater than 5. So here we are in a position where x is either taking a value here or it is taking a value here. So there is no solution. Soumya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Rudra, any doubt?
No, sir.